This is step by step how to use Email Pro to extract phone number or email addresses on internet. First step, click New Search. You can see default keyword will load. You can delete it. You can always add your own keyword. You can load as many keywords as you want. When you finish loading keyword, click Target Website. This is our website you can collect data from. So you can select as many as you want. I can go by Facebook and LinkedIn. Click Setting to decide if you are going for email addresses or phone number. So in this one, I'm going to start phone number and later I'm going to come back to switch it to email address in this video. So stay tuned. Next step, you just click Start Search. Give it a moment and the system is going to dive in and start collecting your data. As you can see, it has already started collecting us phone numbers using our keyword that we load. When you're done extracting, you can also export this data, but I want to switch it back to email addresses. So to do that, I will first stop search and I will key the Chrome. Click Dashboard. We need to start afresh by clicking New Search again so that we can switch to email address. So this time we're not going to select phone number, we're going to switch it to email address. And you can just go ahead and click Start Search. And we're going to see how this will switch to email addresses. It's going to switch and start collecting email addresses. From collecting phone number now is to collect email addresses. As you can see here, it's automatically start collecting your email addresses with the same keyword that I load. So it started from phone number here, and if you scroll all the way down, you see that it will continue collecting email addresses here. I hope this video teach you how to use email extractor pro. Next thing you need to know here is how to export this data. When you click stop search, you can key the Chrome again and you just click export data. Here you can choose to export as Excel or HTML, or you can even click copy. If you want to copy it and to paste this data on your notepad, just click copy. And then you can transfer it to your notepad. When you open your notepad, let me show you how that work. Notepad. I can always click paste here and all the data I've pasted on my notepad. If you don't know how to filter these email addresses here on or phone numbers, use Email Lights Pro. And if you want to learn that, say I want to learn in comment section and I'm going to do a video how to filter your email addresses so that you can be able to send people message. So see you in next video.